Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to set up manual discount codes on Shopify. For this, go to your Shopify admin portal and then click on the Discounts tab here in the left bar. Now you can see we have the list of discounts we have created already, and in order to create new one, just click on the Add Discount button here. Now you can see we have 4 types of discount. First one is amount of products. This discount applies to specific products or collection of the products. Next is buy X and get Y. This discount is based on the products on a customer purchase. For example, if customer buy the X product, we can set up the discount on the buy. Next is amount of order. This discount is applied on the total order amount. Next one is free shipping, and this discount offer free shipping on an order. For example, I'm choosing amount of order here, so just need to click on here. Now you can see we have 2 methods for the discount, either discount code or automatic discount. The automatic discount applies automatically to the checkout if customer met the criteria we have set up here. And the second one is discount code, and in this we need to generate or create some discount code which customer need to apply on the discount code box. For example, I am setting this as new year discount. Next is discount value. Either you can select it as percentage or fixed amount. For suppose I am selecting it 10% discount on the amount. Next is purchase type. As I have installed the subscription app, so it will ask me if I want to give discount on one-time purchase, subscription, or on the both. For now I am selecting it as one-time purchase. Next is minimum purchase requirements. You can set up the minimum requirement for the discount. For example, we can select minimum purchase amount, and you can set, for example, if I have to set $50, so if user or customer met the $50, then they can apply the discount only. And even also you can select the minimum quantity of items. For example, if they purchase 2 items, then only this amount or discount can be applied. For now I am selecting no minimum requirements. And the next is eligibility. You can even select the eligibility for the customers, that if you want to set up this discount for all the customer or specific customer segment, or if specific customer you can select from here. For now I'm just selecting it to all the customers. Next is maximum discount uses. You can even limit the number of times the discount can be applied, or you can limit the one use per customer, so that they can use this discount only one time. For now I'm just selecting limit to 1 use per customer. Next is combination. You can even combine the new discount with product discount, order discount, or any other shipping discount which are available on your discount there. And the last one is active dates. You can even select the start date of the discount, or if you want to set the end date, you just need to click on this checkbox and you can select the end date as well, so that, for example, if you want to set up the end date as 1st January 2025, you can set up that as well. For now I'm just deselect this, and once you fill up all the information, you need to click on the save discount button here. Now as you can see, new discount has been created here, and which is status is active. Now if customer go to your website and purchasing this any product, and if they use this discount, you can see the 10% discount has been applied to their order. That's all for the manual discount codes. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update. See you in the next video.